had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away. Wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going, nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you why I be.
Hello fam, welcome to Banana TV. My name is Monica. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, kisses to you, my loves. That today we are doing a kitchen organization series. Let's get organizing, fam.
Hey fam, as already mentioned, we are going to be doing a kitchen organization series. I've started with a spice cabinet. What's going to follow is a pantry organization, a kitchen organization, coffee bars, and the under sink organization. So watch out for those. So today we are doing the spice cabinet. I waited a full year to do this because I wanted to be sure about my system. I absolutely love it. So let me show you how I did it.
Spices for days. Alright.
Wow, this set comes with a lot of spice labels. I really love it. I was so happy about this. The spice just look very good. The quality is just out of this world. I really love how they look. I love the size as well. So I bought these from Takealot for 24 spice jars. It was $5.99. What's also included in the box is a chalk to help you write on the blank labels, and it also comes with a silicone funnel to help you pour your spices with so much ease. I'm so happy about everything, but first we need to wash these. This is perfect. So I am done washing all my spice jars, the lids and everything. Because it's winter and they were taking so long to dry, I had to quickly put them outside so that they can just get the sun and dry up quickly. I also removed some of the spice jars that I had in my pantry and some of the spices that I put away, because now I want everything to be in one place. So let's remove those and then start cleaning up.
Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it. So I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? Well, color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? treasure buried deeper with each loss. So filled with grief and catastrophic thoughts, insecurity, distorted flaws. It all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it. So I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, tickle me pink? Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? I know there's so much trauma, but try search inside my love. Carried the winds, drowned out the rain. It'll make sense after the pain. Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. 'Cause who knew that at the brink of the end, life would begin again.
These are all the spices that have not been decanted, so clearly I need to buy more spice jars. And these are all decanted spices. I just need to place the labels on top of the lids, and then we are good to go. I'm just making sure that these labels are in alphabetical order so that it doesn't take me long looking for a certain name. This is the fun part. I'm placing the labels on my spice jars. I've also placed an order for 24 more spice jars because I have a lot of spices that have not been decanted. So they'll probably arrive next week. I think it's going to take about a few more days. I've ordered from Take A Lot again because I just love these. It is so cold in South Africa right now because it's winter. But because I want a pretty looking and functional spice cabinet, let's do this. Let's get organizing.
I am stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in opposition. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, nah. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do.
If I could scream, I would scream right now because I love the progress. I love how clutter free this looks. Love it, love it, love it. My spice jars have arrived. I'm so excited. This was very quick. I think it's been about 3 to 4 days. Wow. Thank you so much. Take a lot. Anyway, so in the box is 24 spice jars with the labels, a funnel, and a chalk to write on your blank labels. So I'm not going to show you this again because I already showed it to you. So let's now remove all the spices that needs decanting so we can finish this project. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna repeat the step of washing these jars. I've already washed them. Now it's just time to decant and put the labels. Let's get the ball rolling, guys.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past. Yeah, start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it
I've organized these in alphabetical order from left to right so that it's easier for anyone using this to find the items. Like, I don't want my husband to struggle when he's looking for his turmeric or cloves and things like that. So this is absolutely functional and pretty. I love it. A quick recap, this is how my spice cabinet looked like before. Oh, child. And this is how it looks now.
the encore
this is Granny. I'm calling you because I just listened to your music. Girl, you were kicking it. I enjoyed it, Brad. I had Robin and I listening to it too. So we'll talk later. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please leave a heart for me in the comments below. I love you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.